Hi guys, so sinundo ko ngayon si Janelle at kami ay papuntang Santo Domingo Church at located dito sa Quezon City. As you can see, nakapambahay na kami since malapit lang ito sa amin, like 3 to 5 minutes away lang po ito sa amin. And ayan na, malapit na kami. And ayan, onting lakad lang. And makikita nyo na agad yung Santo Domingo Church. Ayan, tamang bakwit lang ng mga baliw. And ayan, lakad lang ng lakad hanggang sa makapunta sa pupuntahan. So ayun guys, nandito na kami sa Santo Domingo Church. And a quick review about the history of Santo Domingo Church. The Santo Domingo Church, formerly the National Shrine of Our Lady of the Holy Rosary of La Naval de Manila, is a Roman Catholic parish church and national shrine in Quezon City, Metro Manila, dedicated to Mary Mother of Jesus under her title of Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary, La Naval de Manila. Here's a more detailed look at its history. Founding in early history, the church was founded by the Dominicans in 1587, and it was the mother house of the Dominican province of Santissimo de Rosario in Asia until 1972. Intramuros Church, the original Santo Domingo Church, was located in Intramuros and was known for its image of Our Lady of the Rosary, which was brought to the Philippines by the Dominicans in 1587. La Naval de Manila, the image was later referred to as La Naval, commemorating the Spanish victory in the naval battles of 1646, destruction and reconstruction. The original church in Intramuros was destroyed by the Japanese bombing in 1941 and was never restored. New Quezon City Church, the Dominicans built a new church in Quezon City in the 1950s, which is the current Santo Domingo Church. Modern architecture, the church in Quezon City was built in modern style prevalent in the 1930s and 1940s. Ang Santo Domingo Church ay natanghal na maging National Cultural Treasure ng Pilipinas noong October 12, 2012. At ayun na nga guys, pagtapos namin mag-ikot sa Santo Domingo at kami nagchikahan muna ni Janelle. At ayun na nga guys, pagtapos naman magkwentuhan at kami ay uuwi na kanya-kanyang bahay.